Hi, Sales Enablers. Your workspace in Showell is carefully structured by your administrator. But sometimes, you'll find it handy to have a space of your own. A place where you can upload, organize, and manage the content that matters most to you. That's exactly where My Files comes into play. So, what kind of content can you upload? In short, anything that supports your sales conversations. Whether it's a quick PDF brochure, a price list in Excel, a product video, or an image for your next pitch. Showell supports a wide variety of content types. If it helps you sell, it belongs here. To get started, head to the side menu and click on My Files. Think of it as your personal briefcase within the Showell platform. Just for you. Click the Add button, and here's what you'll find. You can upload files directly from your device. You can create folders to keep your content organized. You can add smart folders for quickly accessing materials. But we'll get back to this in a moment. You can also add links. These can be links to websites or other external content, or links to specific files and folders within your workspace. If your workspace has the Google Drive or Microsoft Office file editor enabled, you can create and edit documents directly within Showell. No need to jump between platforms. And here's the best part. Any Google or Microsoft file you create or edit here is automatically synced with your personal drive in the corresponding cloud service. So whether it's a Google document or a Microsoft PowerPoint, your changes are saved in real time and instantly available. That means you're always working with the latest version wherever you are. Let's walk through a quick example to organize some content by creating a folder. In My Files, click Add Folder, give it a name, and you'll create a new space within your personal storage area. This helps you group related content, like brochures, videos, or documents, so everything's easy to find when you need it. Once your folder is created, go ahead and upload a few files into it to get started. Showell will automatically convert your files to the most suitable format for viewing and presenting. So for example, Office files like Word or PowerPoint will be converted to PDFs for seamless showcasing. But don't worry, the original file remains untouched. You can always download it in its original format straight back to your device. Now that your content is coming together, take a moment to organize the view to your liking. You can reorder files, sort them, and even switch between different layouts. Whether you prefer a compact grid, a large grid, or a clean list view, it's all available using the layout toggle in the top right corner. Alright, this is looking good. Let's explore the file properties and see what we can do. Open the Properties panel from any file. Here, you can edit the title and description, set a language, and add keywords to help with searchability. You can decide whether the file should be kept on your device. That's handy for having it available offline, through the downloaded Showell app. You can also toggle whether the file should be shareable. If you turn sharing off, the file is protected from accidental shares. Perfect for confidential documents. If your uploaded file was converted, you can also choose to share your content as the original or the converted version. Under Access, you'll see who can manage the file. Since this is your personal space, it's just you and your workspace administrators. But you might want to provide privileges to other users or groups in the workspace. That's useful if you're collaborating on a share. We'll cover this in more detail in a following video. You can also add a thumbnail for visual context. This helps you recognize your files at a glance, but it's also important when you share them externally. If you're sending content to customers or prospects, having a clean, professional-looking image adds a polished touch. It's a small but important detail. And when it's time to update the file, just use the Upload New Version option. Now, most of these settings are optional, but they're incredibly useful for keeping your content organized, relevant, and easy to find, especially as your library grows. By the way, you can easily manage one or multiple items in My Files with just a few clicks. Select a file, or select several at once. A menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can move files to another folder, make copies, remove them, or bulk edit their properties. You can also click the three dots next to any file for quick actions, like previewing, renaming, duplicating, or downloading. These options help you keep your content organized and up to date, without opening each file one by one. Now let's take a look at smart folders. These are dynamic collections of search results that update automatically. Here's a quick example. Let's say you often present 3D items to customers. Instead of navigating or searching each time, you can create a smart folder that always shows only 3D files. We'll name it 3D Materials. Set the source folder to Energy, And filter by file type, choosing 3D. We'll leave the keywords and language filters empty, since we don't need them in this case. Sort by modified date, so the newest content always shows up first. Then click Done. And that's it. The Smart Folder updates automatically whenever your admin adds matching files to the workspace. Made a mistake? No problem. Just open the Smart Folders properties and adjust the parameters. And don't worry, Smart Folders don't move your files. They just show what matters when you need it. One last thing. If your admin has given you edit privileges to certain areas in the workspace, you'll see these same content management tools there as well. To access them, head to that area. Then enable the edit toggle in the top right corner. That means you might not be limited to just My Files. You can also contribute to the content areas your team relies on. So why bother uploading and managing your own content? Because you'll have quick access to the materials you need. You can personalize shares using your own content. You'll stay efficient by keeping things clean and relevant. And you'll always have your essentials ready, even offline. So with Showell, you'll keep enabling those sales,